Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Commerce Pro. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 170 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely clear white, this Kombi features the upgraded IQ LED matrix headlights as well as 360 cameras. In the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors, and down below across all four wheels, this Kombi sits on a set of 17-inch Montreal alloy wheels finished in a lovely gloss black colour. This Kombi also features the foldable roof rails as well as a ladder mounted to the rear doors from factory. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up those barn doors and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space here, as well as having a carpet-lined floor. For the rear passengers, there's a total of 3 seats. The passenger bench consists of 3 individual seats, with the outermost seats having ISOFIX points. These seats can be folded flat or removed entirely, allowing you to increase storage in the back of the vehicle. Up in the cab, we'll find a total of 3 seats. The driver has a twin armrest seat, while we'll find some under-seat storage on the passenger bench. In the centre of the dash, there's a colour touchscreen multimedia system, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as access a variety of different vehicle menus and settings. Throughout the rest of the centre console, we'll find some charging points and cup holders, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.